THHR is a high-resolution, low-shrinkage, and high-precision tough material. We strongly recommend that you patiently watch this video before using this material for the first time. Pre-processing before printing. THHR is a high-precision resin with a low transmission depth, which makes a weak adhesion between the print and the printing platform. Printed parts are prone to detaching from the platform or warping at the edges. To ensure print quality, the following measures are recommended. Extend bottom exposure time to 80 to 120s. To ensure the bottom layer are fully cured and form a strong adhesion with the printing platform. Extend the rest time after retract or the light-off delay, to ensure sufficient time for the resin to flow back and fill. If the print fails, we recommend adding an additional 1 second to the current settings for the next print. For nearly full bed printing, add a base. Place an appropriate size base at the bottom of the model to form a strong bond with the printing platform. You can download the resin printing parameters from Resin's official website. Resin's official website. Support. STL files. Find and download the base file that corresponds to the print bed size of your printer. Printing settings. Open your browser and visit resin.com. Find support on the Resin homepage and go to the settings page. Depending on the slicer and printer you use, download the appropriate print settings. Open the slicer, add and select the printer. Import the corresponding resin settings. Choose the resin you use. Post-processing. Remove the supports first, then clean. At this stage, the printed model is relatively soft, leaving no damages to the surface of the print. The cleaning and soaking time should not exceed 5 minutes. Since unpost-cured prints are prone to corrosion by cleaning agents, the soaking time should not be too long. Dry promptly. We recommended to use compressed air or a high-speed blow dryer to dry the prints. Ensure the surface is completely dry and free of any remaining liquid. Post-curing. Taking the Anycubic Wash Plus curing station as an example, we recommended to cure both the front and back of the prints for 10 minutes each. When printing miniatures, if higher toughness and drop resistance are required, you can opt to skip the post-curing process. This will help maintain the flexibility of the printed part, thereby enhancing its impact resistance. For hollow structured prints, it is essential to ensure that the interior is thoroughly cleaned and fully cured. Model assembling. After post-curing, the printed part is highly susceptible to irreversible deformation and breakage under force. It is recommended to let the part sit for several hours to restore its mechanical properties before proceeding to the next step. Above are the usage instructions for this material. If you need a detailed instruction manual, please contact us to obtain the document. Thank you for watching.